Hi learners! Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays. We only have 2 days this week before your Christmas break, so I would like to give you some fun opportunities to improve your wellness in kind of a Christmas spirit. So you can actually see behind me I have my Christmas tree. This is just on YouTube. I put it on our TV and it plays music, and then we have our stockings too. So it's kind of fun to get in the spirit of Christmas or the holidays. Alright, so if you're looking at my screen, you can see this week is just Monday and Tuesday. There are 2 assignments per day. Monday we have an elf Christmas workout. So if you click the link, it's going to take you to kind of a fun, goofy little elf workout. It's about 10 minutes long, so it might be challenging for you. And then you also have some Christmas yoga to do on Monday. So Monday's about kind of getting your body moving. You have 2 options. You can choose which one you would like to do. The first one is more fun and silly. It's a cosmic kids yoga. And the second one is more of a real yoga experience, but it's still like a Christmas flow. And then for Tuesday, we will start with a holiday meditation. It's about 10 minutes long. And finally, your assignment that I will be grading this week is card making. So I'll have you grab a piece of paper and pencil, write a rough draft of the holiday card that you're going to make. Here are some sentence starters or kind of a frame for you to use to create this letter. Number 3, show it to someone for corrections. So you could show it to me, you could show it to someone in your home, a brother, sister, aunt, uncle, mom, dad, grandma, grandpa. And then get crafty and create your card. So if you have markers, colored pencils, highlighters, colored paper, stickers, paint, anything that you have at home to kind of create a little work of art. And then after you create your card, please attach a picture of it to this assignment so that I can see that you have some evidence of work this week and I can put that into the grade book. That's all I have for you. I hope you have a fantastic Christmas holiday break. You get some rest and enjoy time with your family if possible, and stay safe and healthy. I'm very thankful for you this holiday season. I will see you next year in 2021. Bye, learners.